Bitcoin reached the $77,000 zone on May 23 after President Donald Trump signaled that a peace deal with Iran had been largely negotiated. The announcement triggered a sharp risk-on move across crypto markets, despite ongoing extreme fear sentiment. Trump posted on Truth Social that a memorandum of understanding for peace with Iran was close to completion, with details expected to be announced shortly. This came after a series of diplomatic calls with leaders from Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Qatar, Pakistan, Turkey, Egypt, Jordan, and Bahrain, as well as a separate call with Israel. The post coincided with a rapid price jump in Bitcoin, which surged from around $74,000 to $76,700 within minutes of the announcement. The 24-hour high reached $77,083.63, confirming that Bitcoin traded above the $77K threshold during the session. This move represented a roughly 2.1% gain over 24 hours, pushing Bitcoin's market cap back above $1.54 trillion on daily trading volume of $31.1 billion. The rally reversed a recent stretch of most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Weakness that had seen Bitcoin drop below $75K and trigger a $941 million liquidation wave. At the time of the report, Bitcoin was trading at $76,913, showing that it remained near the $77K threshold. However, not all details of Trump's claim went unchallenged. Iran's semi-official Fars news agency disputed the assertion that the Strait of Hormuz would be reopened as part of any agreement, adding a layer of uncertainty to the diplomatic narrative. Bitcoin has increasingly traded as a macro-sensitive asset, reacting to shifts in global risk sentiment. Geopolitical relief often lifts crypto markets, and this event is a clear example of that dynamic. The market's reaction to Trump's statement highlights how political developments can influence investor sentiment and price action in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. While the immediate price movement was positive, the broader geopolitical uncertainty remains. The dispute from Iran regarding the Strait of Hormuz adds a potential wildcard to the narrative. Investors are now watching whether the diplomatic process will continue to unfold as suggested by Trump, or if further clarification or setbacks will emerge. The next signal to watch is whether Bitcoin can maintain its position above the $76,000 level, and whether further developments from Iran will confirm or challenge the current diplomatic narrative. If the peace deal is formally announced and details are verified, it could further reinforce the risk-on sentiment currently lifting crypto markets. However, if the narrative proves to be speculative, or if geopolitical tensions resurface, most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Bitcoin could face renewed downward pressure. The market is also closely monitoring global macroeconomic indicators, including inflation data and central bank policy shifts, which could influence Bitcoin's performance in the coming weeks. The interplay between geopolitical stability and macroeconomic conditions is shaping Bitcoin's trajectory, making it a key barometer for investor confidence in uncertain times. As such, the next few days will be critical in determining whether this rally is a temporary rebound or the start of a broader upward trend.